what's up guys? So we're about to head to buy a toy and got a battery right here for it. And yeah, we're about to head out to buy one and yeah. Yo guys, I'm super excited. We're gonna start heading out to get it and yeah, take your guesses. If it's not in the thumbnail, take your guesses down below. And yeah, let's get to it. Got the battery right there. And yeah, we're gonna start heading out. Let's go. Yo, what's up guys? We're on our way right now. And yeah, I'm super excited and I can't wait. We're on our way home right now. It's about an hour drive home. And yeah, when we get home, I'm gonna start building it out. And yeah, he gave me a ton of parts. I tried trading him this, he didn't want it. But, so he gave me a control board up here, the stock battery, modded throttle, battery connectors, voltmeter, stock motor, and then upgraded controller. Then I have my battery right there. But yeah, so super nice. I really liked it, and yeah, I took it home. And yeah, let's get to it. Look at the view right now, though. Accurate. This view. But yeah, I'll cut to when we get home. Yo, what's up guys? We're on our way back. We're about 15 minutes away. And yeah, got the bike back, or the quad. I'm not used to saying that, but yeah. Thanks to my dad for taking me. Yo. But we're on our way home right now. And yeah. So, yeah. I'm probably gonna go home and start building the bike. I'll put the camera up on a time lapse. And yeah, meet you guys when we get home. So, I'm on the quad right now. So, let me tell you guys what I did. So, I don't know if you guys saw in the time lapse, but I had to take the controller out of the RSF 650 and put it in the quad. So, because the controller the kid gave me, he said his battery fried. So, I'm assuming he fried the controller with it. But the motor works. So all I need to get is a new controller now. Yo! Yo! I want to pop a wheelie. Yo, what's up guys? So, I'm trying to learn wheelies, but so I had to put a temporarily hydraulic brake on and all I had was this. But you see, that's my rear brake and it's on my throttle side and I'm not used to that, so. You see? Oh, that one's nice. I'm gonna actually try to keep practicing, but I'm gonna go on the street. Oh, I'm standing up because the seat's really slippery. I don't know why, and I can't pop it without me sliding all over the place. Yo! It really is like a dream. I turned the key off. I guess when I went down, I turned the key off. Dang. Yo guys, sorry for the low quality, but just took the wheel off right here. Now I'm gonna take this piece off. So yeah. And then I'm gonna throw this sprocket on. Hopefully it fits. Yo, what's up guys? This quad is so much fun. You guys saw with the added torque and it's crazy. I could almost pop it sitting down. You guys see that? Well, I probably can, but I just need to learn. But let me pop it up for you guys. You know the deal. Wait. Yeah, though. This quad is so much fun. So, what I'm trying to learn too is, you know how on quad you could turn on two wheels? My brother and my friend can do it, but I can't. I don't know why. I don't know if I'm just like scared or what. Oh, there we go! Yo! Yo! So I was having some tuning issues, and then I just went into Car Driver tuning, and then they helped me, and then I went to the Modified Razor group, and they helped me with a few other problems. Sorry for my chain noise. I need to lube it, but I've just been too lazy. And then tomorrow, waiting for this brake fluid to come. Yo! Tomorrow I'm gonna bleed the YZ brakes, and that's gonna be fun. I'll try to film. That's probably gonna be in one of the next videos. My friend wants to buy the quad off me because he was riding it and he loved it, but I don't know if I'm ready to sell yet, to be honest. Really time. Let me try to lower my camera so you guys can see the handlebars. I have to get down to check.
the seat stander. Or actually, I'm still doing the seat stander. This is what's so fun about quads. You could go so slow on a wheelie. Ooh! I wonder if I could pop up an Enoch. Oh, that's scary. You guys would think that a seat stander is way more sketchy than a knee knocker. Now that seat stander, the knee knocker is way more sketchy. I can't do neither on a bike, but I could do it on a quad. Yo, you know what my friend did the other day? Or like yesterday? Since the brake's right here, rear brake, he did a one-hander wheeling. And I was like, what the? I don't know how he did that, bro. It's way too scary to do that. Oh, I don't know. Did I show you guys? Okay, you see this switch? So forward, switch, forward, switch, brake, reverse. It was going faster yesterday. I think I fixed it. But yeah, this bike is so much fun. Only looped once. But the thing is that I really like about seat standing is you can catch yourself. You can catch yourself, like, watch. Ready? You see? Oh, you guys can't see, dang it. Well, so this leg is spread out like that, and I'm doing that where I could catch myself if I were to loop. Oh, I think I can get that knee knocker. Oh yeah, I got it. Dang. Oh. This is like the perfect little machine. And you guys are probably wondering, would I prefer this over like a two-wheel bike? Would I prefer this over a two-wheel bike? It's kind of a hard question, but my friend has an Ultra B and he said he would prefer this over that. And I would probably probably prefer this too. Because you could just do a lot more stuff. Like two wheels, like you jump off a curb. I would still always keep a bike though. But watch, you go off a curb, look at this. And then you could do donuts. You could go two-wheel motion. You could seat stand wheelie. Like, you can't do this stuff on a bike. Well, actually you can seat stand wheelie on a bike. I just like that this one has a lot. I don't know if you guys can see it. But yeah. Yo So guys, go check out my website where I sell these dope razor kits to modify your bike. 72 volts, 48 volts, 3000 watts, 2000 watts. Go check it out. It'll be everything you need to modify your razor. So go check it out, and I'll put it up on the screen. Ben's Electrified Bike Kits will be in the description and in my bio. Go check it out. Thank you all for watching, and stay tuned.